Hello everyone, welcome to Stats Kanya. I'm Gayatri Kumari, working as senior statistician here in Bangalore. And before introducing to our channel what Stats Kanya is, I wanted to give my introduction. Who am I? So now you know that my name is Gayatri. And coming to my academic profiles, I have done masters in statistics from Banaras Hindu University, a very profound university. I have done my bachelor from affiliated college of University of Lucknow, that's National Postgraduate College. And my basic 10th and 12th degree is done from Buxar, where I have been born and brought up from DV Public School. And now we will talk about the objective of this channel. So in this channel, we will talk how the life of biostatistician look like. First, many people are not aware of this profile. So understand that how you are going to be biostatistician, what academic you need for this, what are the other skills needed to become biostatistician, how you can join or how you can be a biostatistician. I will talk about the companies we have. We have a pharmaceutical companies. We work on the clinical research organization, maybe coded as a um, contract research organization. We will talk about many guidelines that we have, the FDA guidelines, EMA guidelines, and how these regulatory bodies are different and what are the specific sets required for each of the regulatories. We will talk about the top companies here in our domain, and and in the next we will also talk about the packages they offered for us because uh, in the end, money is also important. So we will talk about the packages. We will talk about the salary structure that companies follows. If like not even for the pharmaceutical, but for the clinical research organization, and how is the growth career in the both side of the field. Uh, it's like where the place I have come from. I have come from the Buxar. You might have heard this name at the time of the history. Like if you have completed your history or you are attentive in history, you might have heard the Battle of Buxar that was fought, I think, in the 1764. And we continued to giving the Vani system to Britishers. So from there, how I pursued my education, how I completed the education and got into this field, and now how I am surviving this corporate world, and what are the sets you needed to continuing growing in the field. So this channel is only not for the student. We'll be also covering the statistical method analysis that we usually practice and we usually do in our clinical trial. So professionals working in the statisticians designation can also have a view on the channel. They will. I assure that they will ultimately get something out of this channel. So we will learn the statistics in a very simple way. What are the main analysis? What are the main key consideration from our academic? We need to understand that we are going to follow in our clinical trial. The clinical trial itself, when we heard it is giving a clue that okay, we are doing something to save our nature, to save our people. So we will talk all about this and. Not about the biostatistician. I will also try to talk about the common girl working in this high-tech city of Bangalore, how the corporate girl are living here. So a day-to-day life, I can say in the biostatistician, we will be going through. I would also like to request you to give me as more support because I am here for the first time in the content creation journey, or maybe you can say in the YouTube or social media platform. So maybe you can suggest me, drop down your comment, your suggestion in the comment section, give the feedback, and I will also drop my LinkedIn account in the description. Do connect on the LinkedIn. If you have any questions and you have any concern, do ping me. I will be available and try to uh, give the reply of your questions if you have. I will try to incorporate the suggestion you suggest to me. And if you want to learn or have any other insight that I will not be covering in this topic that I mentioned, please drop down that as well in the comment section, and we will be meeting very soon in the next video. Yeah. Thank you. Signing off for this first one. Hello, everyone.